Hey guys, welcome to a new update video. I'm currently using Minecraft 1.10.2 and JC version 2.6.0. In this video, I'm going to cover all the updates from last video to the current version. Actually, there are many people yelling at me to add a group calculator. Actually, in this update, I added something very similar to that, but it's not exactly the same as a group calculator. So let's get started. To use it, the first thing you do is to find this item called label and put it into the slot. Give it a name like reactor. You will see there is a label called reactor. Actually, I'm going to calculate the cost for IC2 reactor. So I'm going to put 1 reactor core and 6 reactor chambers and hit save. Then you can see there is a recipe for the calculator label. Actually, it is just the representation for a structure or group of items, just like that. And the final thing you need to do is put the label to the upper left corner of the calculator and select the reactor label. So you will see all the resources needed to craft a reactor is listed here. It's just like this. Actually, I think this might be more compatible and flexible. I'm not sure if you like this implementation, so any comments is welcomed. And I'm going to introduce some minor tricks during these updates. The first thing is that you can use mouse left click to put items into the slot. It will firstly put into output slots, then input slots, and finally the catalyst slots. You can also use mouse right click to put directly to the next category and use left to put into the next slot. And at this time, if I use right click, it will pop up to the catalyst and hit save. You will see it just appears that like a normal recipe. When you're editing a recipe, you will see there are another button here. The dot is the abbreviation of duplication. You know, my English is not so good, so I'm not sure what should I put there. It is just whatever. What it does is very close to something like save as or just duplication. So when you're editing the recipe, you can change the recipe and hit the dot button. You will see there is another recipe for copper cable. You'll see it is made of copper plate, and the original recipe is still there. As far as I know, some of the mods may hide the question mark in the JEI interface, so you can't use the fast transfer functionality from JEI. So by using this button, I think it might make it slightly easier to do the edit. So this is all the content in this video, and see you next time.